front row to go speakers, the handheld mic, and the headset mic are rechargeable. This apparatus is for the mics, and the charging cable goes here and the other end goes into your outlet. The speaker is also rechargeable. Plug this into the speaker and the other end to your outlet. The speakers sit on this tripod or on a table stand. If using a table stand, you want to remove this part and you want to line up with this part. And the table stand screws in here. Preparing the table stand for use, you want to loosen this up. Turn it counterclockwise in the back until this is flush, so then you can open this up. And once this is open all the way into a tripod, then you'll tighten this up. Turn clockwise until this is showing. Speaker is upside down at the moment. I've already removed this adapter, and I'm going to line up the table stand tripod with this hole, and the screw goes in this hole. Then we turn clockwise to tighten, and now our speakers are on the table stand. This is the tripod. We open it up by pulling it apart, and then we could adjust it with these. We open these up, and we can make the tripod longer or shorter. We loosen this bolt until the inside is flush here. We put this adapter back on the bottom of the speaker. This screws into the speaker, and then we drop the entire thing into here, and then we turn this clockwise to tighten and hold this in. I've screwed the adapter to the bottom of the speaker. And now place the speaker into the tripod. And we'll tighten. It comes with these audio cables. If you want to play sound from your computer, you would plug one end to the headset port on your computer and one end to the aux in on the speaker. And depending on how far away your computer is, we have these lengtheners here. We have several of these available. Notice the one end here. So one end can go to your computer. Then another end of the audio cable here. And then the other end of the audio cable into the speaker. Here is the headset output on this computer. Notice the picture. I'll plug one end here and the other end into the aux in port here. Let's zoom in so you can see where it says aux in. That's AUX for auxiliary. The speaker's already been charged. I'm going to turn it on here. It's at the bottom. I'll start off with the volume quite low, and now I'm going to play some sounds from the computer. And this is the sound from my computer. The aux out is if we want to attach another speaker, and we want sound going into the speaker, then out of this speaker into another speaker or device. You can use an input mic wirelessly through the use of this antenna. And the antenna goes into this area in the back of the speaker, back top. Note that we can set two different channels here in the back for two different inputs. And we'll want to match up the channels. For instance, on this mic, we are at channel 51. And so we make sure channel 51 is set to at least one of these. And if you look at the arrow to the one on the left, it is pointing to 51. So this mic should work with this channel, and then this volume would work for this channel. We could set another mic for this other side, and this volume would go with that. And we could change the channel with this handy tool. This mic is partially charged. I'm going to turn it on, and I get a green light. And notice I also get a green light on my B channel here. And I'm going to turn up the volume a bit. There's a little bit of feedback because I was too close to the speaker, but now I'm talking into the mic and we could hear it through the speaker. I'm going to go ahead and turn the computer again to see if we can get sound from the computer and sound from the microphone. So now we have sound from the microphone and from the aux in from the computer. So we can use those both at the same time if we choose.